Hey guys, it's Bree the Coupon Queen. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to go over the best deals for CVS next week, some easy coupon deals, and of course, we're going to go over what inserts are coming, what coupons are coming, see if you want to either buy newspapers or order some coupons online so you can take advantage of some amazing deals. And if you stay till the end, I'm going to show you how you can grab Huggies diapers for an out-of-pocket cost of just 87 cents each, which is absolutely amazing. And that includes taxes. So if you're new to my channel, welcome and thank you so much for tuning in. Take a second, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell to all so you don't miss out on any easy deals that you can do every single day. So CVS, there are some amazing digital coupon deals, quite a few freebies going on next week that I'm really excited about. And of course, I have some updates for you. My next class is my advanced class that is going to be going over how to lower your out-of-pocket cost, how to arrange your transactions, how to do the correct checkout process per store to make sure that things go as smoothly as possible. So if you want to reserve your seat, only 20 people are allowed per class. So the link is below in the description box so you can reserve your seat. I'm so excited. I'm starting a new Facebook group. It's going to be a public Facebook group. It's going to be called Couponing for Everyone because I'm a big advocate that anyone can coupon. It doesn't matter how old you are. It doesn't matter where you live, what you're doing. Anyone can coupon, which I think is amazing. So it's going to be a safe space that we can all share deals, share ideas, saving tips, things like that. So I am going to be doing my first live on my new Facebook group. It's going to be next Wednesday at 1 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. So I'm still finishing setting up the group today. That way you guys will be able to start joining and then you'll be able to see me live next Wednesday. So stay tuned. I know a lot of people have Facebook, but they don't necessarily have Instagram or TikTok. So I thought this would be a really great place to go ahead and share even more deals and such for you guys so we can all make sure that we're saving as much as possible. So stay tuned for information for that. I'm super excited. Okay, real quick, coupon inserts. We're only getting one insert on Sunday. However, there are really good coupons inside. So I ordered my typical 4-pack from BQ because we got Revlon coupons, Almay coupons, we have Schick razor coupons, we have Lysol coupons, there's Cetaphil coupons, like so many good coupons are in this one insert. So I personally thought it was worth it to go ahead and order. So BQ, of course, has them available already, and so does Sunday coupon inserts. If you guys want to order, links are below in the description box for both, and these are my referral codes. They're also linked or listed below in the description box as well. So if you do want to order from them, you can, and you can save a little bit on your first order also, which is always nice, extra savings. Okay, let's dive right in. So Revlon next week is going to be spend 15, get a $4 extra buck. This one is a limit of 6. So what you can do is grab one eyeshadow at $7.99 and one candid concealer for $9.99. Now, right in the weekly ad, it shows that we are going to get a mystery offer. So of course, we don't know the exact value of it. Typically, it's at least $3. Sometimes it's up to $5 off, which would be amazing. So, of course, on Sunday, I'll have to adjust my math and let you guys know exactly what it would be. But this is a great scenario. You can use one Revlon eye coupon because those coupons are a limit of 1, like 1 period. So you're not supposed to use 2, 3, 4, 5 Revlon eye coupons. So just keep that in mind. Then you can use one $3 Revlon face and whatever the mystery coupon is. Then also check your account, see if you have like a 3 off of 12 cosmetic CRT or something, because that would make it, of course, even better. Without any additional CRTs, you'll pay $8.98, get back a $4 extra buck, makes it $2.49 a piece, which is an amazing deal. The Candid Concealer, that's 75% off to get it for $2.49. So I love Revlon personally. I wear a ton of their lipsticks. I wear their eyeshadows, you name it. So I think it's a great deal. Now we have a spend 20, get a $5 extra buck. Next week is a great deal to stock up on diapers. A lot of you guys reach out and you want lots of diaper deals. So there's 2 different deals, including diapers. You can do the spend 20, get a $5 extra buck on Easy Ups. Then there's also a deal for spend 20, get $5 back on Huggies, which is awesome. I do have to check real quick and make sure it's not the same code, but I'll check that for you guys in just a second. Here's one example. There's, of course, a million examples that you can do. Grab 1 Tide Liquid and 1 Tide Pods, or you can grab both Tide Pods. Then you can grab one of the Charmin or one of the Bounty. They're the same price. Total is $22.87. Use a $3 Tide Liquid printable coupon. That is linked in the description box for the free PG printable coupons. You guys can save so much money on your laundry products, and anyone can print the coupon. So definitely click the link below, create a free account, and start printing those coupons. Keep in mind, the coupons expire 24 hours after you print them, and you're only allowed to print 1 per month. So make sure you print it the day you're going to use it. Same thing, print a Tide Pods coupon, use a 25-cent Charmin digital coupon, and check to see if you have a 3 off of 15 Tide CRT. With that, you'll pay $15.62, get back a $5 extra buck, makes it $10.62 for 3 items or $3.54 each, which is not a bad deal. That's still almost half off of the Charmin. And of course, that is like 75% off of the large, either Tide Liquid or Tide Pod, whichever one you want to grab. So not a bad price point. Here's the easy freebie that everyone can do next week. And this is like free, like literally zero out of pocket. You'll just have to pay taxes. So you can grab 2 Colgate, whichever ones are included. Even the small Optic White are included, which is awesome. That's one of the toothpaste that I really like. Then you're going to use a $7.98 off 2 digital coupon. You'll pay just taxes out of pocket, which I'm so excited about. So if you love free stuff and couponing at CVS, take a second, smash that like button for me. That helps me so much for the algorithm, so more people can see these deals and more people can save. Love that CVS has been doing some free toothpaste recently, because typically every week we get free toothpaste at Walgreens. So I'm glad they're kind of hopping on board with that. Okay, L'Oreal Facial Care. I love the L'Oreal Facial Care that I use. I use an Age Perfect moisturizer myself, and I just really like it. I also got one of the like Revitalift serums or something that I use sometimes as well when I get out of the shower. So I think they work great, and the moisturizer is just so creamy and just, it's awesome. So there's a couple different ones that you can grab also. You can grab one of the Age Perfect. Has to be an Age Perfect if you have the Age Perfect CRTs, of course. Then the other products you can either grab, they have like facial scrubs and masks and stuff, which would be really good ideas for stocking stuffers or like a beauty gift basket, anything like that. Or you can just grab 2 of the Ideal Cleansers, totally up to you. This is a very CRT heavy deal, of course, so the more you coupon at CVS, the more CRTs you'll get and the more chances you'll have for getting some free products and some money makers. So you can use 2 Age Perfect CRTs. Say you got one last week and you get one this week. You can use them both together. So for example, I coupon on Sundays. My CRTs last from Sunday till the next Sunday. But then Sunday, I'm getting new CRTs. So every Sunday, I'm getting a double batch, if that makes sense. Then you can use 2 5 off 15 facial care CRTs if you have it. You'll pay $8.27, get back a $10 extra buck and a $3 beauty buck, because this deal alone, we're at $30.27 of beauty products. Makes it free and a $4.73 moneymaker, which is amazing. Okay, another freebie. Irish Spring and Soft Soap are buy one, get a $2 extra buck. This deal is the limit of 3. What you can do is grab 2 Soft Soap or 2 Irish Spring or one of each. Double check your CRTs. If you have a 2 off 2 Soft Soap, then you have to buy 2 Soft Soap to use that CRT. So just double check, see what you guys have. A lot of times we will get these CRTs when the Soft Soap and Irish Spring deals come out. We're also getting a $1 coupon in our 1010 Smart Source, and we have a $1 digital coupon that we're getting. Shows you right in the weekly ad we're getting a $1 send to card. You'll pay $3.98, get back a $4 extra buck, makes them both completely free, which is awesome. I like using soft soap as well, so always love a good freebie. Schick, we're finally getting some good razor deals again. I feel like we haven't had a good deal on Schick in quite a few weeks. So they are spend 15, get a $5 extra buck, limit of 1. So what you can do, CVS was so nice to price them the way we need it. You can grab a Schick Intuition for $8.99 and a Skintimate or the Schick Disposable for Men for $5.99. We are getting $3 coupons for the Schick in our 1010 Smart Source. And it shows a $4 coupon for the Skintimate, shows right in the weekly ad. Then check to see if you have Schick CRTs. A lot of times we'll get like a $4 off or a $5 off, but it'll be a specific Schick razor. So make sure, of course, you're getting that specific razor to use the CRT. With this example, you'll pay $3.98, get back a $5 extra buck, makes them both free, and a $1.02 moneymaker for buying razors. In high school, I used to always use the Schick Intuition. I still have a couple. I really like that one, but I only like that one for like shaving my legs. I don't like that razor for shaving like under my arms. I don't know why. I feel like it's gonna cut me. So anyway, that was a little bit about me, but who doesn't love a good freebie? There's so many freebies next week. So hopefully we all get some really great CRTs. Don't forget, on Saturday, I always set an alarm for myself and I post it on my Instagram every Saturday to try to remind you guys to make sure you send to your card any CRTs that you haven't printed or that you haven't already sent to your card. Otherwise, on Saturday at midnight, they disappear. Then you won't be able to use them for next week. So when you send a CRT to your card, it extends it 7 days. So make sure you don't forget. Okay, Huggies. This is a separate deal because it has a separate code on it. So you can really stock up on diapers if you need them next week. Huggies is spend 20, get a $5 extra buck, and they're $10.99 each. So buy 2. We do have a $2 Huggies digital coupon. It's available right now. I checked my app. We also have a $2.50 off 1 coupon from our $9.19 Smart Source. That expires on Saturday. So if your store takes expired coupons, the only way that you'll know, obviously, just give them the coupons. It scans. I've never had any issues at my particular store. I only use coupons expired by like a day or 2 sometimes. Nothing, 2 weeks old or anything like that. So that's how you can double check. Just try the coupon, see if it scans at the register. Then check to see if you have a 4 off 20 diaper CRT. Sometimes I will also get a 2 off of 2 Huggies CRT. I had one last week. I don't have any more. It already expired, so hopefully I get it again, but that would, of course, make it even better. You'll pay $13.48, get back a $5 extra buck, makes it $8.48 for 2 bags or $4.24 each. But if you remember in the beginning of the video, I said you can grab them for 87 cents a bag. So stay tuned. I'm going to let you guys know in just a minute exactly how you can do that. Let's get into these transaction examples. Transaction 1, you could grab the 2 Schick razors and the 2 soft soap. Total is $22.96 plus taxes. We have $15 in coupons and CRTs. You would pay $7.96 plus taxes out of pocket. What you're going to do is go on Flues, buy 2 separate $10 gift cards. When you buy $10 gift cards at a time, you get the most cash back when you use a voucher. If you're new to Flues and you sign up with my referral code, Bree Coupon Queen 21, you'll get 3 vouchers for 35% cash back. Those vouchers do expire eventually, so make sure you're checking that. Don't let them go to waste. And once you've already used those 3 vouchers, there are ways to get more vouchers, and I will link the video at the end for you guys to watch. Super easy, so you guys can get new vouchers, and no, you don't just have to refer people to the app. That is one way, but there's another way. Posting on the community forum for Flues takes you 2 seconds, and you can get more vouchers. Then you're going to get back a $4 extra buck and a $5 extra buck. So the Flu's gift cards are digital gift cards. So what you do is you open the app, you're going to search for CVS at the top and click on it. Then you're going to click on a $10 gift card. And as you see at the top, it's going to give you back $3.75 each. If you use a debit card or a bank, like a checking account, whatever, then you'll actually get $3.95 back. So totally up to you what you want to use for your form of payment. So then you're going to show the cashier the digital gift card. It'll have a barcode on it. They're going to click gift card. They're going to scan it. It's going to cover your first transaction. You may have a little bit left over as well on that first gift card. Now your second transaction, you give them the Colgate and you give them the Huggies. Total in coupons is $16.48. You're going to pay now $13.48 plus taxes out of pocket. But you got $9 in extra bucks from your first transaction. So you're going to hand that over to the cashier. They're going to scan it. Now you only have to pay $4.48 plus taxes. You're going to use whatever's left over on the first gift card. Then you're going to close it out, open the second gift card, and pay whatever's left. You're also going to get back a $5 extra buck from the Huggies. So let's go over our final cash cost and see how we were able to get these for 87 cents each. What you paid is $20. On Flu's, you got two $10 gift cards. On your second gift card, you're still going to have about $5.50 left over. You also, if you used a credit card to pay, on Flu's, you got back $3.75 each for buying the gift cards. The second you buy the gift card, bam, you get the cash back on your Flu's account. Once you reach, I think, $20, then you can cash out or you can use that towards future gift cards. So that's what I do. I just kind of keep rolling it into new gift cards. That makes your final cost $6.96 for 8 products, making them 87 cents each. So this is what I do when I'm couponing at CVS using Flu's to get extra cash back. You also have a $5 extra buck on your account for your next transaction that you got from the Huggies. So you can then use that the same day, use it the next day, next week, whatever you want to do. If you guys have any questions or anything, drop a comment below. And if you still need help, if you're struggling with paying too much out of pocket and not knowing how to organize your transactions, definitely consider signing up for the advanced couponing class. Laura just left this review about how much it helped her, and she's been able to have some amazing transactions at Walgreens ever since. So I want the same for you guys, so definitely consider reserving your seat for that. It's going to be October 13th at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And if you want to know how to get more Flu's vouchers, click this video here. And if you want to know how to use Flu's and the total rundown, click this video here. If you're not subscribed, I'd love to have you, so take a second and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time.